Okay, so get this. We're doing a deep dive today on something you probably have in your kitchen right now.
Let me guess. We're finally tackling the complex world of spoons.
Uh-huh. Even better. Even better. We're talking bananas.
I know.
Super simple, right?
Everyone knows bananas.
Right. But before you skip ahead, thinking you've got this humble fruit all figured out, get this. The research we've been digging through is suggesting that green bananas, specifically, might be a secret weapon when it comes to gut health.
Oh, that is interesting.
Yeah, I thought so too. So to be clear, we're pulling all this info from some recent articles on the nutritional benefits of bananas, and honestly, there's more to this fruit than meets the eye.
Well, let's dive in then. Tell me more about these green bananas and their gut-boosting potential.
All right, so apparently it all comes down to this thing called resistant starch. It's a type of fiber, but not the kind you might be thinking of.
Ah, and it's this resistant starch that's supposedly working wonders in the gut.
Exactly. And that's where things got really interesting for me. Because I'll be honest, I know fiber is good for digestion and all, but I definitely needed a refresher on what makes resistant starch so special.
Well, think of it this way. Most fibers, they get broken down in your small intestine. But resistant starch? It's like a ninja. It slips past the small intestine and heads straight for the colon. And that's where the magic happens, because in the colon, this resistant starch becomes food, like fertilizer, for the good bacteria living there.
Okay, so it's like giving your gut microbiome a targeted boost.
Exactly. And that's important because a healthy gut microbiome is linked to everything from digestion to immunity, even to mental health.
Wow. I mean, I knew our gut health was important, but that's a lot to think about.
It really is. And what's even more fascinating is that this isn't just some anecdotal health claim. We found a study in the journal Nutrients that showed this resistant starch in green bananas. It can actually improve insulin sensitivity.
And why is that important?
Insulin sensitivity is all about how well your body responds to insulin, the hormone that helps regulate blood sugar. So basically, better insulin sensitivity means better blood sugar control, which means fewer energy crashes and more sustained energy throughout the day.
So we're talking sustained energy from green bananas.
Exactly. Think of it like this. A candy bar, that's going to give you a quick burst of energy, but then you'll crash. A green banana, with its resistant starch, releases energy slowly and steadily. Keeps you feeling fuller for longer, too.
Okay, so we've got green bananas pegged as gut guardians and blood sugar superheroes. But what about the ripe bananas? You know, the ones we typically grab for a snack.
So glad you asked. While the resistant starch content goes down as a banana ripens, a ripe banana is still a powerhouse of nutrients.
Well, still good for us.
Absolutely. I mean, we all know bananas are a good source of potassium.
Potassium.
Yeah.
The electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance and muscle function.
Exactly. But they're also packed with magnesium, which is crucial for, well, almost everything.
Oh yeah, magnesium. That's the one that helps prevent muscle cramps, right?
Yeah.
Like, especially after a workout.
Spot on. And when it comes to your heart, both potassium and magnesium are absolute rock stars.
I'm all ears. I've been trying to be more heart healthy lately.
Well, you're in luck. Studies show that diets rich in potassium can help lower blood pressure, which is huge when it comes to reducing the risk of stroke and heart disease.
Okay, so note to self. Eat more bananas for a happy heart.
I like the way you think.
Speaking of working out, the articles we read also mentioned bananas as a top-notch post-workout snack. It's got to be more than just the electrolytes, right?
You're right, it's more than just replenishing those electrolytes. Bananas are also a good source of carbohydrates, which your body really needs after a workout to replenish energy stores. Plus, don't forget the antioxidants.
Antioxidants. Hold on, back up a sec. We need to talk about these antioxidants. What are they doing in my banana?
Okay, so antioxidants. These are compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Think of free radicals as little troublemakers running around causing chaos in your body. Antioxidants are the peacekeepers that come in and neutralize them.
So what kind of antioxidants are we talking about in bananas?
Well, bananas contain a few different types, including dopamine, which is interesting.
Wait, dopamine, isn't that like the brain chemical that makes you feel good?
Exactly. But here's the thing, the dopamine in bananas doesn't actually cross the blood-brain barrier. So while it doesn't directly impact your mood, it still acts as an antioxidant in the body, potentially protecting against cell damage.
Huh. Well, that's good to know.
They also have catechins, which are another type of antioxidant linked to various health benefits, like potentially reducing the risk of certain chronic diseases.
Okay, my mind is officially blown. I really did just think of bananas as a simple grab-and-go snack. I had no idea there was so much going on inside this fruit.
It really does make you wonder what other potential benefits might be hidden within this humble fruit. There's still so much we're learning about the complex interplay of nutrients and their impact on our health.
That's for sure.
Yeah.
But one thing's for certain, the banana is way more than just a tasty treat. It's a gut-friendly, heart-healthy, energy-boosting, antioxidant-rich powerhouse.
You got that right.
So next time you're looking for a snack, or maybe even a secret weapon for your gut health, reach for a banana. You never know what amazing things it might do for you. And hey, maybe there are even more secrets hidden inside this everyday fruit just waiting to be discovered.
Now that's something to chew on.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.
It's been a pleasure.